Hey, y'all, I'm about a soccer stadium in St. Paul. They doing more redeveloping. They putting more commercial business over here. Cause look at all the space they got to still clean up. This is St. Paul Soccer Arena. They started on one of the architects right now of the arena. They're just trying to bring more things to do around the stadium, the soccer stadium in St. Paul, Minnesota. This is the YouTube construction channel. They about to build some more commercial buildings on over here. Here with the crane putting it in the work. Here go the stadium logo bird right here, the Phoenix. One of the powerful birds in the multi-universe. Peace, everybody.